Tea and Tarot quick message for Saturday the 24th of January 2026. Again today I'm using the Gilded Tarot. I just think these cards are beautiful and the images on them are amazing. So I'm just being guided to get them down. I think we're going for one card today. Which one though? 1, 2, 1. So today we have the Hierophant. Hierophant is a spiritual teacher. So it's a spiritual card. And if you've been looking for some spiritual teaching, if you've been looking for higher learning, if you want to higher your vibration, now's the time to probably go out there and find someone. Ciao.